during this, when the NEP 2020 was declared by the government, by the Ministry of Education, we felt actually very happy because it's a huge, lovely learning move, and for the landscape in education, it's an experiential learning,
Right.
which is more freedom for children to learn and do and understand. And equally good for teachers because they are also learning by doing, and they are acting greatly with the children to give a hands-on experience about every subject. I think that is also one big move for the
For
NEP
the
2020.
right.
Yeah,
So
the
now the educators are co-researchers with the children.
Co-researchers are with
and
the
they
children, yeah.
learn together. And
Right.
I think yes, it was something which was really
Much
needed,
needed, yeah.
much
Yeah.
needed, and it kind of took us away from the rote learning,
Yeah.
which was so prevalent in most of the schools. Yeah, this is a welcome change actually that has happened,
Very good change.
and the implementation now is actually showing the way, forward. And I feel that in next 10 years, this is going to make a lot of difference to
yeah.
the students who would be passing out, because they'll have a different way of looking at things.
Absolutely.
They'll look into the 21st century skills of critical thinking, problem solving, all of it.
Yes, and equally the teachers are being
Yes.
helped because they are understanding how to handle a child, how to understand their critical thinking and how to proceed with their problem solving skills. So all these 21st century skills are going to be in place. Already it is in place, and I think more and more schools